Today I'm gonna explore famous streets in Bangkok like Khao and Soi Cowboy. Both nightlife entertainment as Bangkok is capital city of nightlife. Let me know which one suits you more and enjoy today's video. Yo, it's 9 p.m. and I just arrived to Khao Road. If you are in Bangkok, definitely you should visit this street. This is the party place. Bangkok is famous for the nightlife. This is like capital city of the nightlife in Asia. Khao Road is one of the streets what you should visit, especially looking for low budget parties. Maybe you are backpackers or looking for something very interesting to find over here. This is the place. Let's see and let's look what we can find over here, and then we're gonna move to somewhere very special location. And this is the one of the entrances with so many taxis and tuk-tuks waiting for you, also one of the big bars around. And the party is actually starting just straightforward. Also, except the party, you can find very low budget street food over here. Also special drinks and special food like, scorpions. This place is very popular for that. And I think this place is definitely cheaper than the Chinatown. Also, I heard at this street was very busy pre-pandemic conditions. Now seems like there are many tourists, but little bit, so feel little bit of the vibe. Oh, Scorpio! You see, and you can buy also this one, the pants for the Thai boxing. Getting little bit more cheaper. You can find actually more and more. That's how it looks like from the higher perspective. And here is something interesting, crocodile trail. Here we go. That's actually very interesting indeed. Let's see. Party is going on. There behind me was the bars with the loud music, but the party is going on. Here is the section with more likely into clothes. Also, you can find here more cozy vibes, cozy bars or something like this. Not only for the scorpions, because so many of them around here. Also, this street is focused more into food, not only the parties. You can find like, many things, buckets, people coming mostly for drinking here. Of course, you have a section with the juice, fruits, barbecue, pad thai, of course, with the, actually it's cheaper. World was the simple example of the normal party without any extremes, like cozy vibe for everyone, even the kids was there. Now I'm gonna show you another place where definitely you shouldn't go with kids, if you know what I mean. So for many of you, maybe more interesting part of today's video. Also, I forgot to mention as the Khao Road was famous for the cheap beers, buckets, also the drinks when you put all the alcohol and some sort of other drink like a soft drink or juice inside in the bucket, and you are drink like a sharing. So it's a great place if you are going with the bigger group of the friends of the family. And also the place is famous for the balloons, laughing balloons. Well, you have to buy so many and it's not the fun if you are alone, but if you are with your friends or something, definitely worth to try. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit more, maybe more interesting part of the nightlife for some of you guys. The Soi Cowboy street over there. I think everyone who heard about the Bangkok, you heard about the Soi Cowboy street. If not, let's check this out, what you can find inside. You can find some nice girls everywhere around as well if you want, why not? Here we go, but not that much is happening actually how it used to be. Some of the girls are shy, some of them they are not, some of them they are not the girls obviously. So be careful if you would like to come here. Hello. The story of this place is two African people came, opened the one bar, and they named it Cowboy because they was wearing the hats. So it was like that. There are some girls here. Here we go. But it's not like pre-pandemic times was definitely much better. Now it's just a little bit so. But the vibe atmosphere is like very, very cozy, very calm. I could say, yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Also, ladies are coming here, so this is not attraction only for the men. Don't take me wrong, but definitely not for kids. I mean, well, you're not gonna find the naked ladies or something, but I'm not sure if it's suitable for kids. This is all up to you, personal choice. Also, the culture of this place is like so many bars, sports bars with the light neons, very colorful place. And with the girls, what you can drink with them if you are coming alone. And well, what I can say is, don't wanna say much more, but you know, you can do many things here. Also, you see couples coming here. It's not only as this is for the men. However, you can come also. You know, like whatever you like this guys, for example, enjoying their time, you know, like. But also there is like, you know, pandemic signs says close and never come back. I think it needs still few more months, probably December, Christmas time is gonna be definitely busier. However, you know, like today is just still so there are some you know, it's just alright. It's just alright. Hello. Hello. This is very nice. Even very friendly for the camera today. Not so bad. Here we go. This is the end. Very short street, by the way, but this bar is very busy. For some reason, a lot of is going on in this bar. This specific bar. This is also one of the most busiest streets in Bangkok. This is a Sukhumvit and the junction. Also quite a lot of international visitors everywhere around. Motorbikes, cars, tuk-tuks. Bangkok life, that's what I can say. And if you would like to stay very close to this area, to the Soi Cowboy street, so you can have a walking distance, just behind is the Pullman Hotel. So a lot of hotel options around. So this is the area of Terminal 21 Mall. They have a very great food court. I have to check this out next time. Also very important tip about the Cowboy, Soi Cowboy street. Oh, it's actually so hard to walk on the BTS to the app. To the station. I'm gonna go home very shortly. Whenever you go to the Soi Cowboy street, you have to be careful of the scams over there. Always go to the bars where are full. No matter how the ladies are so beautiful, if it's very empty, that means they will scam you very badly, and you can Google about that in the internet if you don't trust me.
So always go to the places where there's so many people, especially international visitors. That's golden tip from me. Even I didn't go inside on today's occasion. That was my very lucky night in Bangkok today without the rain. I met also very nice girls who are friendly to the beyond the camera, but the most important, without the rain, because previously it was rainy and I have wet shoes already. Let me know if you would like to see more content like this one from the nightlife from Bangkok, because this is the capital city of the nightlife, and I will see you tomorrow.